Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to show you some of our new products. It's a bill holders, and we can see this one coming with four different sizes. And let me just show you how the workings. Basically, we can see they have small like a plastic or glass ball inner side. It's aluminum for the tray. This one, and also on the back surface, they have double face the stickers. You can just stick to any place you want, so you can avoid to using the nails or screws to mount it on the wall. And also, assuming we have a bill papers, and when the customer orders something, you can just stick it right here, and they just hold it. And trying to pull it out, that's it. And for the dimensions, we give you four sizes options. The first units, they are about like a 23 and 3/4 inches length. And the second units, we give you about like a 31.5 inches in the length. And the next sizes, that will be 39.5 inches in the length. And the longest unit, it is about like a 47 and a 1/4 inches long. So that's will be the all demonstration information about these products. If you have more questions, contact with us.